Everyone thinks the best-selling Undermount stainless steel kitchen sink is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Kraus KHU 132. Let's kick things off with the Kraus KHU 132. This 32-inch Undermount single bowl sink caught my eye with its heavy-duty 16-gauge construction, and at $359.95, it's positioned as a premium option. If you want a sink that can handle everyday wear and tear while looking sleek, this is worth a serious look. This model is designed with a universal fit, which means it can easily integrate into most kitchen setups, providing you with a spacious bowl that measures 30 inches long and 10.5 inches deep. The 16-gauge stainless steel is not only durable but also resistant to corrosion and dents, which is crucial if you're using it daily. The wear-resistant satin finish helps keep it looking new, and the rounded corners make for easy cleaning. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Low maintenance means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your kitchen. Now, some people complained about the noise level when washing dishes, as it can be a bit louder than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who typically has music or a TV on while cooking, this might not be a deal breaker for you. It's still a solid choice for anyone looking for a durable, stylish sink. This is perfect for you if you want a functional yet attractive sink in your kitchen. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, but for the quality, it's worth every penny. Now, if the larger size of the KHU-32 seems like too much for your space, the next one on the list might actually be a perfect fit for smaller kitchens. Product number 2, Kraus KHU 126. Next up is the Kraus KHU 126, a slightly smaller option at 26 inches, priced at $299.95. This one still boasts that impressive 16-gauge stainless steel construction. If you're looking for a compact sink that doesn't compromise on quality, this one deserves a closer look. Plus, it's equipped with Noise Defend soundproofing technology, meaning less noise while you're washing. This is a game changer if you appreciate a peaceful kitchen environment. However, some users noted that it might scratch more easily than expected. Here's the thing, while it's a concern, if you're careful with your utensils and use the included dish grid, it's manageable and won't affect the sink's performance. This is ideal for apartment dwellers or anyone with limited kitchen space who still wants a high-quality sink. Skip this if you need a larger basin for extensive cooking, but for smaller kitchens, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list actually comes with a few extra accessories that might catch your attention. Product number 3, Kraus KHU 130. Coming in hot is the Kraus KHU 130, another great option at 30 inches, priced at $299.93. If you want a perfect balance between size and functionality, this is worth checking out. This model provides a generous bowl space while being easy to install as an undermount sink. A standout feature is its easy-to-maintain satin finish, which helps hide water spots and fingerprints. Here's why this matters for you. Less time cleaning means more time enjoying your home. Now, some folks mentioned it's a bit heavy, which can make installation tricky. Here's the thing though, if you're hiring a professional, this shouldn't be an issue, and the durability it provides is worth that extra weight. This sink is perfect for anyone looking for a durable and spacious kitchen sink without going overboard in size. Skip this if you prefer a lightweight option for DIY installation, but it's a great value for those who prioritize quality. Next up, if you're someone who loves a workstation sink that maximizes efficiency, the following product might just be your new best friend. Product number 4, Kraus Cori KW 11032. Now let's talk about the Kraus Cori KW 11032. Priced at $449.95, this workstation sink is designed for those who love to cook and want to maximize their kitchen space. If you want to work smarter in the kitchen, this is definitely a sink to consider. This means less clutter on your countertop and more efficiency while prepping meals. The heavy-duty construction ensures it will withstand daily use without any issues. Here's why this matters for you. It simplifies your workflow and keeps your kitchen organized. However, a few users found the accessories somewhat flimsy. Here's the thing, while they may not feel as robust, they do serve their purpose and can be replaced easily if needed. This is ideal for serious home cooks who want to streamline their kitchen tasks. Skip this if you prefer a traditional sink without the extra features, but it's a worthwhile investment for the right user. Now, if the price of the Cori seems a bit steep, the next sink on my list offers similar features at a more budget-friendly cost. Product number 5, Kraus Cori KW11030. Last but not least is the Kraus Cori KW11030, another workstation sink but in a more compact 30-inch size, also priced at $449.95. If you're looking for a multifunctional sink without the bulk, this one might be calling your name. It has the same high-quality 16-gauge stainless steel construction that's resistant to dents and corrosion. Plus, the rounded corners are easy to clean, which is essential for maintaining hygiene in your kitchen. Here's why this matters for you. A cleaner sink means a healthier kitchen. However, some users have mentioned the depth could be limiting for larger pots. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who mainly cooks with standard-size cookware, the depth should be more than adequate. This is perfect for those who want a stylish yet functional sink that fits into a smaller space. Skip this if you have oversized cookware and need more basin depth, but for most home cooks, it's a fantastic choice. So there you have it, 5 fantastic Undermount stainless steel kitchen sinks. From the spacious Kraus KHU132 to the efficient Kraus Cori models, you've got options that cater to different needs and budgets. Each one brings its own strengths, so take a moment to think about what features matter most to you before making a decision.